Between all our facilities, we're capable of making a myriad of chemistries. We basically do everything from simple blends to whether it's powders, liquids. We do reaction chemistry in powders and liquids. Everything from low temp to high temp reactions, as well as a variety of different milled products.
We can make our raw materials, we can make intermediate materials, we can make finished goods.
And I would say that a majority of our technology is accretive. It all adds to itself. So we are vertically integrated in many of the things we do manufacture, and that was by design. Every batch that we have goes through a variety of tests, both in process as well as after completion.
We have some of the best R&D. That ensures our product is going to be good before us and the production line get it.
Watching my idea come to fruition and then watching it go out and then know that it's in a product somewhere. It's why I do this.
To provide great customer service is really, I think, the backbone of the company. And so AMS really takes pride in delivering on time and the product the customer wants.
We invested into making our own fleet due to the fact that because of COVID at the time, trucking was unpredictable.
We have many customers which have very timely requirements for some of the products. It has to arrive on time, it has to be delivered very professionally, and literally in some of these applications, if they don't get their material on time, it could cost them millions of dollars. The investment to have our own trucks and drivers was crucial to living to our service commitments.
We can serve our customers so quickly and tell them for sure when their product is going to get out the door. And that's important that we keep our word and do for our customers what we say we will.
What it's done for us is it's made us one of the most reliable suppliers of the like chemistries that we make. Easing the supply chain of our customers, we do that by essentially providing a service that they might not have been able to get from other vendors. Now, we do maintain quite a bit of stock of finished goods, at least strategic materials, to assure that if somebody has an issue, they need a product in less than a normal lead time, we can get it there. We're known for being able to turn things around in a day. We made a conscious choice to invest in a significant amount of buffer inventory to assure that over a span of, if something was shut down for 4 months, we'd still be able to keep our customers in supply.
Being a CSR and having to talk to production about what we have on hand, I don't believe I've ever been turned away where we can't fulfill an order.
Employees and the caliber of the employees you hire are extremely important. People are behind everything that ever happens in a business. Whether you're running a submarine shop or making a burger or working in chemistry. Give us a shot. We'll show you our service level. We'll show you the innovation we can provide.
AMS is great at a lot of things, but the top 3 things that come to mind is we're great at delivering incredible product in a very timely manner, and we have customer service that is second to none.